Hey G Squad, it's me Gigi. This is Glam Tones, and we're going to mix up our own orange color today using these two shades, and we are going to use it in a Halloween set because it is the 1st of October, and that means the spooky season has begun, and I love the spooky season. I love Halloween. So today's set is going to be a haunted nails set, and we are doing a his and hers creation. The set is very simple, but it took me a while to get everything correct. And even saying that, it's not perfection, but it's really as close as I could get it. And I'm super happy with them. So perfection be damned, right? Whatever, you guys. Now I'm going to go ahead and come in and paint 4 of these nails with the Modelones, those little like sets. I think this is the retro set or something like that. I forget the names. Maybe I don't forget. I think this is the retro set. And then I have another set that is like floral set or something. I forget. Guys, I do forget. It's probably in my Amazon, so maybe I'll look. Anyways, we're going to use this tan color from the retro set in these 4 nails, and they will get 2 full coats. And then I'm going to take a little bit of the Modelones base coat and mix it with this, just a tiny bit of the color that we just made, that pretty orange color. I didn't have an orange I liked, so Modelones to the rescue. This is a primarily Modelones set again, but mixing up that color gives us that pretty orange. If you don't go far enough, it looks like ketchup and mustard mixed together, you know. Maybe you did that when you were a kid. I did that when I was a kid. I'm adding a little bit more of the color because I wanted just the tiniest bit more opacity. I'm not going for a full opaque nail. I actually wanted it to be sort of transparent because we are doing ghosts today. And when I stamp on this, you'll be able to see through the ghost. Anyway, that was my thought. That was just my thought. So now we're going to do our Frenches. I'm only going to show you this a couple times because it's a simple set, but it took me so long to get this right, you guys. I was really struggling with it. You are just seeing one of many attempts to get this correct. Please be sure to leave me a comment below if you like this set, and make sure you give me a little rock star symbol down there if you watched all the way to the end, because those are my rock stars. Okay, now I'm just filling these in. I think it'd be really cute if you left them open and did something inside. That's for another video though. We'll do something like that soon. Although I have to tell you, I've got to get better brushes if I'm going to do that kind of line work, because when it's not perfect but it's a full black, you know, section, it's a little easier to hide that. If it's just the line work itself, every mistake stands out. So these brushes are just some Shein brushes, and my original, you see that little pink cap there? I tried to use my striper brush, but guys, that brush is done. It's done. There's no more life left in that brush. And I don't have the heart to throw it away. It's really pretty. It was my first art brush at all, and I feel like I have to keep it. I don't want to throw it away, right? And then, is it even recyclable? You know, we do need to have a conversation in the nail industry about sustainability, because if we don't, it's not going to be to our benefit to not have that conversation. So I think it's time for us to start thinking in terms of how we can make our industry more sustainable. And of course, that's something that the corporations are going to have to talk about, not just us, but us talking about it gets them talking about it. So maybe there's something we could do there, right? I think a lot of times consumers drive the conversation. So maybe we should start chatting it up, right? So anyway, I'm coming in now with that orange. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to yap over that. I'm taking that orange we made and I'm filling in the rest of the French with the orange. Now, this is the pinky nail, and I totally screwed this one up, you guys. You'll see when we get to the end. You can see it now, actually. I should have brought that orange down further, and you can see all the other ones are correct, but that pinky one is not. So live and learn situation. I'm not going to beat myself up over it because I still really like the nails. So now I'm coming in and I'm getting some boo stamps. These are little tiny ghosts, and I'm using 2 different plates. This first plate, I'm telling you, I bought it 2 years ago, and I have no idea where I bought it anymore, who manufactured it. There is a number on it right there if you want to investigate further yourself, and I'll write it in the description. But I don't know the brand. I'm sorry. Now this one is BeautyBigBang, and it's my first BeautyBigBang plate. It's my first time using a BeautyBigBang anything, and so I'm super excited to have a chance to play with them. And it stamped so well. It wasn't like those Wakoda plates at all, or Wakodo. I forget. I think it might be Wakodo. Those Wakodo plates, those are so hit and miss, and I'm so disappointed in them. And I've had a conversation with the actual company about them through Amazon. And honestly, they've got to do better. They need to fix those plates. They're like, do you want us to send you new ones? I'm all, what would be the point? Are they the same plates? Because what's the point of that? So we're just adding little ghosts to every single nail. Look how cute that is, you guys. Oh my goodness. I love them so much. Okay, now for him or for her or for they, I'm going to do a shorter set, and we are going to come in and just do a broken French with the black, and then fill in that space with the orange and top it. So it's the same sort of feeling as the longer nails, but it's just a straight across French with the same sort of vibe, right? It's giving us that happy Halloween orange and black on top of tan sexy goodness. And all of the nails they're all painted the same way as the longer nails, just with their own little more masculine vibe. We are going to add some ghosts to these nails as well, but only 2, and I'm doing them slightly off center to give it more of that modern art sort of vibe. And some of the nails on the longer set are a little off center as well, so I'm just trying to pull all of the same feelings and emotions from the longer set into the shorter set. Now I am coming in and giving a top coat. I don't know where the top coat footage is for the longer nails, guys. I don't think I turned on the camera. I'm sorry, but they are matte top coat on both sets. And this is what the shorter sets would look like long, or shiny, not long, shiny. And you can imagine the same thing over on the longer set. I apologize, I lost that footage. Into the lamp they go, and this is the finished creation. These are the cutest nails. I absolutely love them. I love the haunted vibes with the ghosts on there and the traditional colors of black and orange combined with tan to just give it more of a grounded feel with the holiday vibe. Oh, I love these nails so much. Okay, guys, this is the first set of our Halloween season of nails. There's going to be so much more to come, so be sure that you subscribe to the channel. You don't want to miss any of them. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.